Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing loose debris and sanding edges so the new compound bonds. This prevents future recracking. Once done, widen the crack to about 1/8 to 1/4 inch to create a clean groove. This is why you don't skip the step. Make sure to press paper tape or fiberglass mesh into the groove. The tape transfers tensile strength across the crack and stops hairline returns. Immediately coat the tape with a thin layer of all-purpose joint compound to lock it in place. You now build the repair in controlled layers rather than one thick pile. That's how you avoid shrinkage and cracks. First, apply a thin coat over the taped area and let it firm. Lightly sand to knock high spots. Once dry, add a second, whiter coat and feather the edges out 8 to 12 inches using a larger knife so the joint fades into the wall. Make sure to sand between coats with 120-150 grit. Removing dust ensures each layer bonds properly. You finish by priming the dried compound so paint adheres evenly, then paint to match the wall. This seals and hides the repair. If a hairline crack returns, take action. Cut out the thin compound, inspect for movement, then retape with a stronger fiberglass mesh and repeat the layering process. That fixes adhesion failures. If the crack is caused by joint movement, use a thin bead of paintable flexible caulk along the seam before priming to absorb future motion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.